Caution! Product show. Remote control show. Product list display. Pre-flight preparation. Open the storage bag. Take out the drone, remote control and other parts. Remove the protective cover from the camera before starting the product. Unfold the wings. Drone frequency alignment. First short press the remote control power and then long press for 5 seconds. The power is on. Short press the power of the drone and then long press for 5 seconds. The power is on. After the drone remote control is powered on, wait for a minute or so for the automatic frequency alignment. After the successful frequency pairing, remote control the sound. At this point, the drone and the remote control to the frequency success. Geomagnetic correction function. Place the drone on a horizontal surface and press and hold the correction geomagnetic key for 5 seconds. After the remote control makes a D sound for geomagnetic correction. At this time, the drone lights flashing pick up the drone according to the clockwise direction. Rotate the drone 3 to 5 times in a clockwise direction. The remote control will make a D sound. Turn the camera in the downward direction 3 to 5 times and the remote control will sound D. Geomagnetic correction is complete. Drone gyroscope and gimbal level correction. Place the drone on a horizontal surface, long press the correction gyroscope button for 5 seconds. The remote control will make a D sound. The correction is successful. Download app. Scan the manual QR code. Download the app. Connect app. Remote control. Unfold the antenna handle. Connect the remote control with adapter cable the right side of the map transmission interface. Cell phone holder installation. Install the remote control phone holder. Mode switching. After aligning the drone and the remote control, correcting the geomagnetic and gyroscope, the remote control display shows positioning. At this time, the drone will automatically GPS search and positioning. Automatic activation of the protection program will not be able to take off. You need to press and hold the GPS button for 5 seconds. The remote control will sound a D to indicate that the GPS function is turned off. Can be unlocked to take off. After aligning the drone with the remote control, correcting the geomagnetic and gyroscope, the remote control display shows positioning. At this time, the drone automatically GPS search and positioning. When the number of satellites reaches about 10, the positioning is complete. The remote control makes a D sound and the remote control display shows GPS mode indicates that the positioning is successful and can be unlocked for takeoff. Aircraft unlocking. throttle lever and direction lever at the same time to push outward or inward. That is, you can unlock the drone motor to start after the flight. Basic flight. Up. Down. Backward. Forward. Fly left. Fly right. Sport high-speed mode. Steady mode. Left turn. Right turn. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Binocular vision obstacle avoidance. Headless mode. 1 key return. Bottom light. Gimbal adjustment. 1 key photo. Start video recording. End video recording. APP basic operation. Gesture photo. Gesture recording. '50 zoom. Sparrow up. One flight to the sky. Gradually flying away. GPS follow. Flying around the center. Waypoint flight. Vertical screen mode. Filter beautification. Music selection. Multi-camera switching. APP lens adjustment. One key return.
开始返航。
Battery charging and replacement. Press and hold the battery snap to remove the battery and replace it. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery charging port. The other end is connected to the USB port. The battery indicator flashes when charging. The battery indicator is always on when fully charged. Connect one end of the charging cable to the charging port of the remote control. Connect the other end to the USB port. The remote control light flashes when charging. The remote control indicator light is always on when fully charged. Airplane wind blade installation. Unscrew the screws and take out the airfoil. Note the corresponding AB airfoil when replacing. Put in the wind blade, rotate and tighten the screw.